This is the Planet of the Vapes Storz & Bickel Mighty Quickstart Guide, where we show you how to get the best results on your first session.
In the box, you'll find a Mighty Vaporizer, a liquid pad, 3 spare screens, a set of spare seal rings, a dosing capsule, a cleaning brush, power adapter, a plastic filling tool and grinder,
And if you buy your Mighty from Planet of the Vapes, a 4-piece metal grinder and storage container.
The Mighty leaves the factory with an 80% charge, but we want to top it up before its first use, so plug it in and let it charge. It takes 2 hours to fully charge from a dead battery, so this shouldn't take too long. We recommend a medium grind for the Mighty, like cracked pepper, but you can use the included Storz & Bickel grinder for the perfect consistency. Rotate the filling tool 180 degrees, then reinsert it into the slot. This will allow it to act as a stand for the Mighty. Turn the mouthpiece counterclockwise 90 degrees to remove it, then loosely fill the bowl with ground herb. Tamp down the herb lightly with your finger or the included filling tool.
Every Mighty includes a handy plastic filling tool that makes loading the oven a breeze. Simply twist it into the top of the vape where the cooling unit would sit, and scoop your herbs into the center hole.
Turn the mouthpiece clockwise 90 degrees until it clicks into place. Press the power button once and the Mighty will turn on, vibrate, and start heating. You can use the up and down arrows to adjust the temperature. Let's start at 371 degrees Fahrenheit, our favorite temperature. The top display is the current temperature, while the bottom display shows the target temperature. The Mighty will vibrate to let you know that it's reached its target temperature, and again after sitting idle for 2 minutes. The Mighty has one of the most wide open draws of any portable, and it can keep up. Fast or slow, draw on it any way you like. There's no need to stir the herbs either, they'll cook evenly through without it. When you're done, it's best to immediately dump out the load and brush out the oven and upper screen. This will keep your vape cleaner longer and cut down on cleaning sessions in the future.
That's it. We hope you found this video useful. Make sure to like and subscribe to stay up to date with the latest from Planet of the Vapes.